In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place stop loss and take profit in MetaTrader 5. If you're new to trading, these two tools are essential for managing risk and planning your exit before a trade is even placed. A stop loss helps limit potential losses, while a take profit automatically closes the trade once your target price is reached. Setting both in advance can help you stay disciplined and avoid making emotional decisions. To begin, go to your MetaTrader 5 account and make sure you're on the main trading interface. This is where you'll be able to access your charts, watch list, and order tools. Before placing anything, it's always a good idea to confirm that you're looking at the correct asset and market conditions. Next, open the order screen by clicking the New Order button in the toolbar. This brings up the trade execution window where you can enter all the details for your position. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also open this same order screen by pressing F9 on your keyboard or by right-clicking the asset in the Market Watch window and choosing the order option there. Any of these methods will take you to the same place, so just use whichever feels fastest and most convenient. Once the order window is open, set your volume, which is your lot size. This determines how large your trade will be, so make sure it matches your risk plan. Even if your stop loss and take profit are correct, choosing the wrong volume can change your exposure significantly, so take a moment to double check it. After that, locate the stop loss and take profit fields in the order window. Here, you'll enter your exact price levels. Be careful to type in the actual price you want for each one, not just the number of points or pips. Your stop loss should be placed at the level where you want the trade to close if the market moves against you, and your take profit should be placed where you want to lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. Accuracy matters here, so review both values before submitting the trade. When everything looks correct, click buy or sell, depending on the direction of your trade. As soon as the order is placed, your stop loss and take profit will instantly be applied to that position. And that's it. By setting these levels during order entry, you can place trades in a more controlled and structured way inside MetaTrader 5.